Alright, hold on. Alright, cover. Yep. Good. Alright. So you see there at the very So you can see there at the very end as you can see there at the ends, his electrode got stuck to the metal, which is a very terrible thing to happen, but it happens, so. The heck?
Just remembering I didn't forget anything.
No, we're good. Mr. Lenz, how many volts are running through that stick? Do you remember?
Depends on how many voltage you gotta set on. You can
Oh.
all the way up to, on this one, 300.
Oh, I thought it was 900, you told us. Oh.
That's just amps. Voltage is
Oh.
only 240.
Oh,
Yeah.
so it's 900 amps?
It'll go up to 900 amps, yeah.
Oh, okay. I said wrong thing. What?
Sorry, not 900, 300 amps.
That's a lot of volts.
Yeah.
What?
Volts, they're very dangerous things. This is loud. Honestly, it's loud.
Alright, we're gonna be back. So, I think you get the gist of this.